Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this 4-square kaleidoscope video effect inside Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Alright, you can see on the timeline I have got a stock video. You can use any videos that you like. Firstly, let's select the video footage and move over to the effects panel to apply some effects. Firstly, I'm going to apply a replicate effect. To apply the effect, let's double click on the replicate. After that, we need to apply a mirror effect 2 times. And lastly, we have to apply a transform effect. Now let's move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize all the effects. I'm going to leave the replicate effect as it is. We don't need to change anything here, because we're going to make a 4-square kaleidoscope video effect. Next, from the top mirror effect, let's make the X reflection center parameter value around 1919. And then, from the bottom mirror effect, we have to make the Y reflection center parameter value around 669. After that, let's make the reflection angle parameter value around -90 degrees. And lastly, from the transform effect, we have to make the scale parameter value around 101. Alright, with these couple of steps, we have created this 4-square kaleidoscope video effect inside Premiere Pro.